Okay, good morning. We're just out at 109 Rugby. So the leak they're getting is right here and along that length right there. So straight away there's two issues that I can see. First off, this extension, the roof sheets have been installed a bit funky. So see this little lip right here? That's actually meant to be on the underside. So this is the underlap, the top piece. That's the overlap. It's actually backwards. So this is meant to catch water. It's a drip edge and then sends it down to the gutter. And they've done that. You can see in the next sheet, it just keeps going. So first, that's a design flaw. Secondly, you have silicon blocking all of this flashing here, which is a big problem because it will trap any condensation and it will make the rusting happen just ridiculously quickly. The third thing, this roof is very, very flat. I'm going to confirm the degrees, but I think it's too flat for these roof sheets, which is what causes the water to blow up and under here, and then you get all these leaks. The further along you go, there's no silicon. And it's definitely like just pouring in. The ends of the sheets over here, see all the dirt that's accumulating? So that's ponding. That means that water would be capillarizing back up and under as well. I'll get another angle and see if I can see if the sheet's been bent down. You've got a few dings like this. These are always something I look out for because water ponds on them and it starts to drip through even if the metal's not split. This capping on the side here is wrong. It's supposed to, I'll show you. So you're supposed to protect a full pan of the sheet, but it stops in the pan. It's supposed to come up past this rib. So that needs to be replaced. If this is underpitched, then you would just have to replace this section of roof. I'll have to check it in a second. Do you see how flat the tiles are here? That's another point of ingress. So wind can just blow rain straight under that tile, up between the next tile, into the roof. It actually is very flat, this roof. I'm going to confirm the degrees soon. This lead work here is not the best. First of all, you shouldn't put lead on metal because it will make, zinc or color bond because it makes it rust out with the electrolysis. I lifted this section and I found that broken tile there. All of this silicon work, if water gets caught in that water course now, the silicon is stopping it from being able to run back out. So it forces it further and further to the left, and then it goes into the roof as well. So the solution there is this gets all reflashed with a different material. It's called Fast Flash or Whacker Flex. You can see this, like the tiles are not in good condition. Like that's a hole. That's just a straight up hole. You can see with this chips, the paint job isn't too good. It's starting to flake off everywhere. So yeah, it's just flaking. Broken nose, another hole. The ridge is in not the best condition either. Oh, actually this whole part here, when I stand on it, is bouncing, which is not the best. Someone's tried to put pointing there to fix the break in the tile. You can see these tiles aren't even sitting properly, so they're just going to let water in. Very rough job on the painting. It's very flat. Broken tile. Oh yeah, every time I'm stepping, the roof is going up and down. All the tiles will, yeah, it's a bit sketchy standing on here. You see all the tiles are just gone. All destroyed there. Destroyed there. Broken there. There. Lead on the wrong, you know, not meant to use lead on metal. They stopped the lead, then then went and continued it again. It's a strange design. This capping doesn't go past that rib. This side I didn't get, there wasn't a leak, but I'm just going to show you it anyway. Brake, 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 and sealed up too. Brake, brake. You can see this was too flat, so a piece has been put in, and it's just being held down by the pavers to stop the wind from lifting the flashing. Brake, brake, another brake, another brake. Oh, my holes, oh, split right in half. Brake, brake. Oh, this roof is it's pretty much at re-roof time now. That's starting to break. You can see the hairline coming through the paint. This flashing has cracks in it. It's still it's very flat on this side too. See the gaps, the large gaps in the tiles, just everywhere. I think this is taking water in and it's warping the battens. Everything's chipping. Oh, it's a bit crunchy there. Chipping. Okay, as we get here, it's getting flatter on the sides. They're all starting to deteriorate. Another broken one. Paint's all starting to peel. Oh, big break here. That's starting to push a hole through. Brakes. Oh, there's easily like what, 200 tiles? There's so many. Brake. 2 holes. That'll be a hole very soon. Far out. Another one. That one's starting. There's another one starting. Far out. Okay. So look, I think if you want to just do like the short-term fix, you're just gonna replace this corner here, redo it with the right flashing. This part's a bit harder. Like there's always things you can do, but it's, just want to see if I can stand on this. Okay. So I'll just kick this tile up here. See, that's very flat. Really, I would like to see that be kicked up a bit more. So bring it up. Should be kicked up and going perfectly in line with the bottom of this tile. So it's not the end of the world. It's not ideal because water's just going to pool underneath here. The flashing feels a bit funky, to be honest. It's like it's rusty. Yeah, it is rusting. Look. I'm just going to rip this so we can see. This is rusting. Feel these sheets. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm gonna try and flip this, but I'll show you what's happening underneath here too. See how there's no bend on the end of the sheet, and so water just literally runs straight up underneath here, right off the back of the sheet. So you're gonna have to rip out this flashing just to get to it, which means having to re-flash things on the skylight because it's... Yeah, these tiles are falling apart. Like I can snap that off by hand. Look at them, they're just not sitting nice either. Let's just start with this. Yeah, so see, yikes. Yeah, this is a bit bad too. Okay. So yeah, you're gonna have to take out this whole flashing just to bend the sheets up. But it's, oh man, it's a can of worms. Like once you start doing one thing, it's just gonna be another thing, another thing. See how much water's been pooling here? The whole way. And then let's have a look at these. There's a hole right there. Yep, see they haven't bent the sheets down. Haven't bent the sheets. It's a bit of a problem. Like, sheets have to be bent down, sheets have to be taken off and put the right way around. That capping has to come out completely so you can bend the sheets up, and really you'd replace that capping with a better designed one. These side pieces have to come off, they have to be redone. There's like 200 tiles all over the roof. The ridge is pretty gross. It's like not gonna leak instantly, but it's getting close to it. That skylight, the way it's been attached down the bottom there, is not that good. It's just never ending. So I don't know, just let me know what you would like. Do you want just a temporary or a permanent? Because like I'm thinking at this point, permanent is going to be you just put metal on this roof, mate. Honestly, it's not worth it. Even if you do it in sections. For instance, say you started with the back, as the back would be easier to do because there's nothing, right? So you would take off that whole back, you'll keep some spare tiles, then you can swap all these broken ones with ones that aren't broken from over here. So beautiful, you don't have to pay for any tiles. And then you can do your temp repairs, and then you can do this half afterwards. Just break it up, you can do that. Or you can just do it all at once. Just depends on finances, I guess. But yeah, it's not great.